gels, and then in the new set I am going to using Omega gel. So you can also using the gel extensions glue gels if you want to. On this one I am going to use primer, base, Omega gels, and no white top coat. Check out other videos I did show how to refill it, rebalance after 2 weeks. The clients come back in if you want to still continue same shape but get a refill. I have the videos on that as well, so you can check it out. And we are going to using the base. I want to prepping this tips really quick. You don't need to etching anything. I am gonna go ahead and apply the smaller and thin layer of the base gels underneath of the tips where you are going to place it on your nail plates right here. So here for 10 seconds. I am going to do all 10 of them or 5 of them if you do clients, or if you want to, if you do all 10. I did 5 already, so if you do the clients, do all 10 of them and cure them for 10 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply all. I already sized all of my nails, but I did show earlier how you can able to do that, so that is gonna be so much easier. All right, 10 seconds it is. Just I did a couple of nails, put the base on, so then save time, so then we can move on to the application. So now let me move this one on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and using Omega gels in a little bit, but in the meantime we're waiting for the nails to be, the tips to be cured. I am gonna prep the nails. We are going to apply the primers on all of my nails. This is going to help to remove all the oils remaining is on my nails. Before we're putting the base gel. So you want to apply the base gels on your nails and also base gels on the back of the tips. And then when you place your Omega gels basically it sandwich between 2 base gels, so then that way it can help not only bonding is so well, adheres so well for 4 weeks plus wear, also prevent a lot, and then on your natural nails it's got to protect with the base gels as well. So there are no chance of getting any like lifting, any water, any molds when you're wearing the gel extension. So here, this one is not here. Did I do it base? No, so I did it primer first. So now air dry, and I'm gonna take the tips out. I'm gonna go ahead and using the base gels. Lots of questions were asking like, if you're doing a gel extension, it might possibly popping up. It will not able to pop up at all once you have your base gels on. So make sure the base gel is gonna be definitely gonna be your bestie and will adhere and it double bonding well with your Omega gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply base gels on all 5 nails, and we'll go ahead and cure for 10 seconds.
Hey Dom, so if you don't get notification, make sure to check on the account and make sure you have notification turned on, and hopefully they will notify you next time.
Maybe, or sometimes it's like sometimes it's the app is so trickle too, like just refresh it by maybe like delete the app and then install the app back again. Sometimes it happened like that to me too.
Definitely.
And then we are go ahead and cure for 10 seconds. TikTok. This one is coming out. I'm so excited. Today we're going to do a really simple set, okay? And then you're going to tell me after we finish if you want to do is any crystals on. I'm waiting it for your suggestions. If not, I'll leave it my set like this. Is that cool? It's the first time ever I never have anything on besides just shampoo foil, and It's really cool. I put the top coat mixing with the disco flash gels. So I'm gonna show you how I do this really quick and is super easy. Today I think is gonna be the easiest set I ever done with you. So then to show you that how cool and quick and easy it is. All right, so if you have a 3D dual brush with the silicone end that we usually doing it with the 3D flowers. If you're seeing a lot of time that I'm doing, this is not crystal pickers, this is a 3D dual brush. So I'm go ahead and getting the tip. This is for my thumb, and open the Omega gels. Really solid. You can't even like, it's not going to spill anything at all, and it's so easy for you to apply gel extension. You see how I put the tips in it for you to seeing it, and it's so less messy. OMG, it's really cool because when you're using this, you can let go of your tips and then adjusting it just in case your tips is getting crooked, or if you're like, oh my gosh, you didn't get enough of your Omega gels on, you can definitely control it. And adjusting it first before you cure is not going to runny, is not going to slid off, or I mean, how do I say it? Like really like, it's so also I forgot how I can say it. It just, okay, let me show you. Did I have base gels on it?
I think so, yes. You have base gel and primer.
Did I?
Mm-hmm. You start with primer and then base gel.
Did I cure it?
I'm not sure.
I think I cured already, right?
Oh.
I think, oh yeah, I cured, and then this one is falling on my hand.
But yes, so 10 extra seconds should be fine.
Yeah, okay. I said, wait a minute, what's happened? All right, so it's not running at all. So I am, go ahead and place it 45 degree, hold it 45 degree, and you don't need to have the flashlight with you or holding your mouth or asking your clients to do it or have to like slide it in. You do not need to do it. Hold for 45 seconds. You see that how crooked, look at that, how crooked it is, right? It is great time for you to adjusting it. You can adjusting it exactly is where what directions you are going to do. Crooked a little bit, so we want to move it to the left and to the right a little bit until it's getting in right direction, and then you don't have to hold on to it at all. You can let go of your tips and then cure for 30-second flash cure, or if you're doing all 5 nails, you can do 10 seconds, and then after you finish, you can go back and do the rest of them. So go ahead and cure for flash cure for 10 seconds first.